Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to activate your Orange eSIM card. First, open the email from Orange that includes your eSIM QR code. On your phone, go to Settings, Mobile Network, Add eSIM or Add Cellular Plan. Next, scan the QR code from the email to install your eSIM profile. Once it's installed, go back to your SIM settings and turn on the eSIM and enable mobile data for it. If prompted, enter the PIN code provided in your confirmation email and make sure data roaming is enabled. And that's it. Your Orange eSIM is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.